After the project is set up and a budget created, we can then begin to assign project resources to the project. Dynamics AX can help you optimize your resource practices to maximize utilization levels and reduce your workforce capacity costs. In Dynamics AX, resources can be assigned to a project manually if you know who is available and capable of filling a project role, or automatically using a rules-based engine that matches potential resource candidates to a project based on attributes such as their skill set, certifications, education, project experience, or of course their availability. Resource scheduling in Dynamics AX can be done from either the perspective of a project or of an employee. Let's look at the project scheduling first. The top of the screen shows the projects and activities that are waiting to be scheduled. On the bottom left, you can see the resource candidates that are available to fit each of the project activities, both time and skill fit. Each candidate has been scored based on their fit to the resource requirements as well as their availability. Once I select an individual for a project, I can come over to the right here to the Assign and select them for one or more of the project activities, both in a hard commit or more of a tentative soft commit. Once assigned, this will flow through to their project schedules and calendars. Now let's flip this around and look at the scheduling from the employee's perspective. In the event that you want to focus on maximizing utilization and you want to see which employees might have some capacity that you can schedule to a project activity. Let's go into our resource-based scheduling. This screen has a very similar layout to the project scheduling screen, but its perspective is flipped. At the top of the screen, we have our employees, along with the visual view of their availability, both in the chart here and to the Gantt chart to the right. And the bottom left, we now have a list of the project activities that match each resource based on skill and availability. And again, if I want to simply assign to a project, I can choose Assign, choose both a hard or a tentative assignment, and that flows through to their project schedules.